Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren inaugurates first state-level Barak Festival 2018 at Senapati District Mini Stadium Ground today. Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Dev Music College, the only government music college of Manipur, remains deplorable for the past 10 years. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta assures to fill in the inadequate staff of Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Dev Government Music College at the earliest. CPI Manipur State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar asserts CPI will take key roles in forming Grand Alliance central government sans BJP after 2019 Lok Sabha election. And the YAS Minister Let Pau Haukip inspects condition of roads leading to Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2 and Tengja Pau Road near More Police Station. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Chusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The first state-level Barak Festival 2018 was inaugurated by Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren at Senapati District Mini Stadium Ground today. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren urged everyone to preserve and protect the environment. The Chief Minister also lauded leaders of Naga People's Organization (NPO) for organizing the state-level festival. PHED Minister Losidiko, Revenue Minister Karam Sham, Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister N. Kaishi, Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro, MLAs T.H. Satyabrata, H. Dingo, L. Rameshwar, Awangbao Nyumai, officials of the Tourism Department, representatives of various civil society organizations of Senapati District, and people in the area attended the event. Traditional fire making of various tribes under NPO were showcased, and a souvenir of the festival was also released on the occasion. Playing of traditional musical instruments, skills and talent shows highlighted the afternoon session of the festival. The only government music college of Manipur, Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Dev Music College, is in a deplorable condition with a lacking infrastructure and inadequate teaching and non-teaching staff. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Ketrimeyum Premchan and camera person Sapam Henry.
Students of Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Deva Music College under the Art and Culture Department are being deprived of proper facilities as the 5 departments of the college lack adequate teachers. Out of the sanctioned teachers, post of 7 for the vocal department, only 2 teachers are catering to around 140 students at present.
Gents ki ladies ge na vocal gi se khaidu ogabau tambirami uza sing se wat pan maram oiraga uza amana dum ladies uzen se punnam taksan ba first year to bisarat part 2 box da class manga leibe se theory practical in khaidu ineba class tara ne no ma salai be darkar ise ada uza ani khatara tak bas di satra sing sigi apam do khane mitto bungam da bai tare.
The tabla department of the college has no teachers for the 20 students at present. Hence, college funds are being utilized to hire guest lecturers to teach the students. Students of the sitar and the flute departments are facing major difficulties as the departments have no teachers.
Retired set kraba matungda habakta dugi aduna maram orga shortage lakpane ana basigi se jo hoje amata leitre hai tare tabla isu post kara sarak pata ani ra hum le leram bane ba potha ki dagi amat hap ta na hoje ke moisu khudong sadar se mayok na de aga sitar gi su hoje post amta legi drai tare sitar da leram bo ja sina hoje kana to gidana akoi vice principal na promotion lai thokre tobudi mahana adum class e dum takpi adusu award padi leire makhataba tai leitre ba ada akoi am ludi se han dagi akoi music college se principal se matam sang na mohang ore amui kui dana akoi oja devendra jit lakpani principal hoina adu marks potha dore hoji december se potha dore ni na ada akoi su akoi college dagi principal hoina kakalakpa yawa mi su rr matungin leibani na patik saba mi lejeraga su oja watpagi adagi principal oiba yawagi keno se mayam na khane bidraga di si su leraktamina masi aso mayok na ba akoi awa mayok na dore ba
Apart from inadequate teaching staff, the Government Music College lacks adequate non-teaching staff as well, except for UDC. Efficient functioning of the college seems to be a distant cry at the moment.
We official sida laigadaba se UDC amane mari mga laigadaba na official staff sida grade for amma sina utilize the work kuda sakre amana head office ta transfer sakre ado huji phami bes ai itongdang phami sida di kanagi loina everything aina loi su le diu su le re thabak su ba su ngamdre bill bu pai gadra amma bu pai gadra treasury bu chat gadra si pi na mi su le dre ado ai akhoi suti or so ai office ta la eba aduna aina ga yam tangai phadani accident ga thoktana ga laigraga di upai ga se leiba jat na tere huji oi ba condition se ge hybrid.
On the other hand, many guitar enthusiasts want to learn how to play guitar in the college. However, the guitar department is yet to be opened. The baffling fact is that demand to fill in the inadequacy of the college for the last 10 years went to deaf ears as no measures are undertaken till that.
Government the thagi bisi koi aina sum aigi knowledge da ko oza principal si koi kan to kai ara kana thag re tare guitar gi tam jege na mi am hang balai ado koi hana sanction to ba post di guitar gi se leram dabina process am budi koi request to jakri.
The condition of the Government Music College, that is the Sri Sri Balmukundeva Music College, has been worsened day by day. There is no adequate number of non-teaching and teaching staff in the college, so it is high time for the government to look after the issue as soon as possible. With camera person Sapam Henry, this is Ketumim Premsan, Impact News, Imphal.
Well, on a positive note, Art and Culture Minister Langpulakpam Jentakumar has assured to fill in the inadequate staff of Sri Sri Balmukundev Government Music College at the earliest. The minister assured the same to Impact News reporter Ketumim Premchand and camera person Sapam Henry upon their visit at the minister's quarter this evening. The minister lamented that not only the music college but even the dance college under the Arts and Culture Department have been functioning without adequate staff for over 15 years. Criticizing the previous government for not taking proper measures, Minister Jentakumar assured that the cabinet memo is ready to be tabled in the next cabinet meeting for filling in the lacking staff without further delay. He also disclosed that a cabinet memo is ready for filling in the inadequate staff of INA Museum in Moirang.
Mamang the Palamba government, culture of how it and Achobe Chibenam from Waga, Laga, Lay Hook, Pishaga Piba, Hypercactoyaduga. Next generation Madugida, Mutane Havaki, Hariba, unit Chunsimasu, monk and a function, Tonani Vocals, Yobiram the Baduntawe. Any state function number, Sayo Shaiva, Sayo Shaiva, Balmukunda Music College, and how you can 15 posts of teachers. Now the post grade to Donata. The 15 posts of teachers sanction posted 11 posts hang the lay. Adu of Taragadi sanction postal is only 4 teachers. Madukaktam Laidra, Husmuti Lady, Yamanaito, Aniamana, Biolengi, the Aniamana, Bokelgi on your liver. She can't the Kamquina, Samatum, which I take to Nivam. Adun equidana, I summon the North Misery, the Honorable Chief Minister is kind enough. Yamna Pukian Chongna. Tom Topani Havilena, I had a process to road and have a Maramodana, like the cabinet sitting the Senate, Putonolog Sham Sari, cabinet member prepared to Lore. Oja Nipan, Han engaged or Ibadana to Bukaran Tork, Oja Nipans, as a contract basis, happy you, Aduga, be Namula, say, as a temporarily lift of Viraga, Sakata, cabinet memo, Sequi, Putona Badano Sham Sadan Lore.
CPI Manipur State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar has asserted that the recent defeat of BJP in the assembly elections to the 5 states predicts that BJP is definitely losing in the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha election. He stated that CPI will take an active role in forming a grand alliance central government sans the BJP. Briefing media at Iravat Bhavan, BT Road today, Sotin Kumar maintained that citizens of the country have started denouncing the undemocratic Hinduism-based all minds and no works governance of the BJP. He said the 4.5 years regime of BJP has failed to put its promises into actions. Sotin Kumar pointed out that promises of the BJP made before the elections like demonetization to curb black money, opening of zero balance account to ensure 15 lakh rupees balance and job opportunities for over 2 crore youths have become a fiasco. He further alleged that BJP is more interested in constructing a Ram Mandir and world's largest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel by spending over 200 crore rupees of public money instead of undertaking welfare activities. He also condemned the BJP government of spending 1,000 crore rupees in the Rafale aircraft deal through a private company against 550 crore rupees for the same aircrafts spent by other countries, reiterating that the undemocratic BJP is a disaster for the country. The party's state secretary appealed for the public to support CPI inner Manipur Lok Sabha candidate Dr. Moirangthem Nara in the upcoming Lok Sabha election and ensure welfare in the state.
Corruption Langi elopren laiba matamda lupa crore lising amam corruption tawagi wathok ngasi hujik parliament da chawi su oigada asuma kya singa sina BJP lengak se halaroi lakador lok sabha election da su ekoi manipur dagi marone CPI gi mere oijariba Dr. Comrade Nara kahanjaningi maramdi Manipur gumba yauna pikpa state adu issue kaya na thallab state ase masida ekoi communist party na state asidagi mai paktra bhavada Bharat Communist Party center da ekoi akanba pressure kaya pijaduna parliament ta maru oina framework agreement ki citizenship amendment bill ki university ki thamari chathagi ba strike ki loinana border pillar ki issue na singba kaya amada Manipur da leiba kariba MP sing na kasu haiki dragasu ekoi communist party ki MP sing na chap chana thena ki.
For the first time in Manipur, Thoubal District Charangpat Zilla Parishad has provided wages to job card holders under MGNREGA through Indian Post Payment Bank service launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi across the country last September. Job card holders were given their wages at Indian Post Payment Bank Charangpat today. Speaking in the event, Area Operation Manager of Indian Post Payment Bank Thoubal H. David stated that IPPB service was launched to ease the public by providing door-to-door banking facilities. Socialist Students Union Manipur SSUM organized a mass torch rally across the valley in relation to Nupilal Memorial Day last night. Almighty Pangal Students Union Manipur also extended solidarity by holding rallies in Manipuri Muslims inhabited areas. The rallies chanted slogans on various state issues including Indo-Myanmar border dispute, to remove army from Manipur University campus, to decommission Mapitel Dam, to make Manipur drug and substance abuse free, etc. Meanwhile, Socialist Students Union Manipur SSUM has appreciated all those who took part in the mass torch rally held across Imphal Valley in relation to Nupilal Memorial Day last night. Speaking to media at SSUM office today, SSUM President Yaima Mitei intimated that a leaders meeting of all the organizations in the state will be convened at the earliest to take up various steps for ensuring that the slogans chanted last night pressing various demands are fulfilled. He urged the government to pay heed to their demands, which includes demand to make Manipur intoxicants-free, not to cede Manipur's land to Myanmar, to decommission Ithai and Mapitel Dam projects, not to drain Manipur's natural resources, not to desegregate Kangla, to remove army camp from Manipur University campus, to help farmers who are in debt, and to make a policy for safeguarding the indigenous inhabitants of the state. The SSUM president condemns both the previous and present governments for playing delay tactics in solving the issues. He maintained that there is no need for such a government if it cannot ease the plights of the people.
Pangthokhiba mairagi rally asi palam liba lengak amadi paliba lengak sina Manipur ki issue sing asi matik chana amadi matam chana loishin dabadu aikuna pen da phongdokani aikuna taliba demand asi matik chaba amadi phongkhum thoknaba adugumba demand ni maram aduna paliba lengak sina aikuna taliba demand sing asi miyam gi awabasi khanbiduna miyam gi awabasi kok nanabagi damakta hairiba demand sing asi athuba matamda pithokpiyu delay tactics tawduna miyam bu wahan bigano.
Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haokip has inspected the condition of the road leading to Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate No. 2 and Chengjapao Road near More Police Station today. Leaders of various organizations accompanied the minister during the inspection. The minister has assured to repair the deplorable culvert on Chengjapao Road and improve the condition of the road leading to Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate No. 2 in consultation with the relevant authority without further delay. Minister Letpao Haokip also assured to resolve the ongoing controversy regarding construction of a shrine of Ima Kundong Lairembi after holding a meet with Hill Tribal Council and Mite Council More. Local residents staged a sit-in against the planting of an IED at the gate of one Sapam Radha, 72 years, wife of late Tiken from Harangoithong, Yanglem Laikai under Singdame Police Station on December 10 around 6 p.m. Speaking to media, one protester strongly condemned the planting of bomb which created panic among the local residents. She demanded clarification regarding the incident and also appealed not to create such fear psychosis among the people. The protester urged the relevant authorities to take appropriate measures against such incidents.
Asiana yaura agadi masi asi badang sokodo natra moigidi thanamaga chakrabani na moidi soro akoina phaubu junga mhobu nate akoini sida pamise sumaina matungda mohna tawidaba yumlakta bom thambasi thamhaningdaba adi kari maramgi thamibino Kanana kaidobagi misemamgi yumda thambirami asi akoi pamjade amona matungda tawbidaba kanana tawribano do asengba haidokpirau karigidamakta tawribano desu khanganbirau.
A one-day legal awareness program on POCSO Act 2012 and child trafficking was held at Kaino Thongkhong Community Hall in Bishnupur district today. The awareness program was organized by District Child Protection Units DCPU Bishnupur and the Department of Social Welfare. Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee P. Premchand gave resourceful insights on POCSO Act 2012, while Director of Childline Bishnupur L. Pishak enlightened attendees on child trafficking. Many people, including students, attended the event. Proscribed outfit UNLF in a press release clarified that one Sapam Shanti Kumar from Kaibi Kumuda Maninglekai, arrested by a team of Imphal West Commando on December 10, has no connection whatsoever with UNLF. The proscribed outfit further intimated that Shanti Kumar left UNLF in 2017. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the reception ceremony for the first ever nominee member of Autonomous District Council ADC Chandel from Tarau community. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. The first ever nominee member of Autonomous District Council ADC Chandel from Tarau community, Katmisha Lengham Tarau, was accorded a grand reception by people of Tarau community today. Tarau Tribe Union, Tarau Students Union and Tarau Chonu Jurai jointly organized a reception ceremony at Kuringmul village in Chandel district. Joint Secretary of UNESCO Club Manipur, Dr. Thokchom Chandramani, and a representative of Salai Holdings Private Limited congratulated K. Lengham Tarau upon being appointed as a nominee member of ADC Chandel and presented him gifts. Speaking to media, K. Lengham Tarau lauded Chief Minister N. Biren-led state government for giving due priority to a minority community like Tarau by electing him as the ADC nominee member. He promised to work for the welfare and uplifting of minority communities, especially Tarau community.
Handak asi akui Tarau gi harabadi ekon si aina hangharabani mathang da su soidana mak government na akui Tarau si mijing tabigini habisi jingbigini habisi ai thajabani honorable Biren gi government makhada leiriba masina achau api khaidana laita khaidana mana sembirakpa asi akui on behalf of Tarau da ai nominate ama oina ai mabu yamna thagale Tarau asisu mi amani haiba Tarau asisu government amani habisi utpa yanangai ai kanna khonagi
tarau tribe si yamna minority oiba aduga in all aspect ta yamna sothaba aduna maram morakanda singma mi amma makoi gi mihut amma koina nominee oina koi ADC da yahul lakanda manipur gi lengak londa khara de saruk yaba phangna baidana adugi pandamna tawani masimaru oina koi district asagi leader oina leriba Sri Mati SS Olis amade Sri Yanglet Haukip ani jang kanna haibadagi state chief minister of the party na khandarga thaba si koina mahakpu koina nominee oina tawani.
Oja Sanajauba Trust OSMT organized the 9th death anniversary memorial observance of Professor N. Sanajauba at Larigengbam Leka in Imphal East today. President of the Trust, Professor N. Rajmohan, President of Poirei Leimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Loop M. Memchobi, and Amuko President P.H. Deban were among those present in the event. Speakers in the event remembered Professor N. Sanajauba fondly and lauded him for all his contributions in the field of education in the state. Attendees paid floral tributes at the portrait of the late professor on the occasion. President of Kangleipak Women Welfare Association KWWA, Imam Memcha passed away due to an illness this morning. Imam Memcha took an active role for solving various issues of the state for the posterior. Kangleipak Women Welfare Association expressed grief on her sudden demise. All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Union in a press release expressed grief upon the sudden demise of Thangta teacher Kongjengbam Biren from Kondom Pokpi Mamanglekai on December 11. It may be recalled that Oja Kongjengbam Biren was honored with State Kala Academy Awards by Manipur State Kala Academy in 2006. And Cultural Forum, Tripura and Gauranganagar Maira Paibi jointly observed the 79th Nupilal Memorial Day at Gaurnagar, a Meitei village in Khowai district of Tripura yesterday. Gauranagar, Maira Paibi leader Kumanthem Tababi, General Secretary of Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Tripura, Koishna Mangal, Gauranagar Youth Club President B. Jiban Nath Banerjee and many people attended the event. Floral tributes were paid to the brave Manipuri women who opposed the indiscriminate export of rice from Manipur by businessmen with the support of the British government on the occasion. Poetry recitation, traditional dance and musical performances were the main highlights of the event. AMSU Kumbi Wangu branch under All Manipur Students Union AMSU launched a 45-day special revision coaching class for class 12 science students at Kumbi College today. 150 students attended the first day of the coaching class. Class 11 and Class 12 students of N. Tomcho Higher Secondary School, Mayang Imphal have showcased a one-act play entitled Mahatma Gandhi A Reminisce during an inter-schools theatre festival in New Delhi's Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts yesterday. The school represented Northeast and Eastern Zone in a theatre festival held in relation to the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi under the Ministry of Human Resource and Development. 3 poetry books, including a sonnet book written and translated by retired IPS Dr. Ibocha Soibam, was released at Manipur Press Club today. The books published by Soibam Publication and Kamakya Publishing House Guwahati are a sonnet book entitled Thengmal Lida Wakching Gi Nongju, Khongchat Ama, a translation from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's poetry book A Journey, and Waiting for My Journey, a translation of Irom Chanu Sharmila's poems. Eminent scholar Professor Nomaithem Tombi also attended the event. Secretary of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur branch Dr. Y. Mohan has stated that carrying out of Indian Red Cross Society's physical rehabilitation program and workshop sponsored by International Committee of the Red Cross ICRC will be more successful if a proper work site is allotted at RIMS or Jenims to conduct the workshop. Speaking to media at Red Cross Society Manipur branch office today, Dr. Y. Mohan further intimated that there is facility to get artificial limbs for amputated individuals under the program.
ICRC masi Red Cross ki kamun hairise mayam paisa tingge wa ke chatuk sin to kan sina moi support to ke impan da rimsara jenimsara workshop mata moi material loine supply to ke free da adugi infrastructure do sida develop to radi mayam chatlaga wana to rise cross so handarani ari matam sumang ro sida to ke habagi proposal amadi se enum sure lairiba.
District Health Society Chandel, in collaboration with UNICEF, held a one-day sensitization cum awareness program on health and nutrition service at CHC Chakpikarong. Village chiefs, villagers and NGOs attended the program. It may be mentioned that similar program was also held at Sajik Tampak on December 6. Medical Superintendent of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, in a press release informed that the Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, RIMS, will organize Northeast Regional Hands-on Workshop on radio frequency ablation in pain management on December 14 and 19, and hence there will be no PMR or PD service on the said 2 days. An interaction made between DIG of Sector Headquarters BSF Korengai Anand Singh, local bodies and public leaders of Hairok area in Thaubal district was held at Hairok yesterday. DIG BSF Anand Singh assured that BSF is undertaking various welfare schemes for the public under its Civic Action program. He appealed for public cooperation in all the undertakings. LPG cooking gas cylinders and stoves were distributed to around 25 beneficiaries of 14 Uchekon Nongchup Zila Parishad under Bashikong Indian Service today. The program was graced by Seram Nekan, Zila Parishad member of Imphal East, as chief guest and proprietor of Bashikong Indian Service Waikom Shanta as guest of honor. Ward members of Torban Ketri Lekai Gram Panchayat also attended the distribution function held at the residence of Zila Parishad member Singjamai Ketri Lekai. Now the sports news. Manipuri duo Huidrom Bishan and Thanawjam Johnson, who represented India at the 18th World Pancake Slate Championship 2018 in Singapore, fetched a bronze medal on Ganda men artistic doubles on the first day. 48 countries are competing in the World Pancake Slate Championship 2018 from December 13 to 17. Bishan and Johnson's bronze medal is the first medal for the country. Malaysia and Singapore bagged gold and silver medals respectively in the event. Sports Authority of India North East Regional Centre Imphal accorded a warm welcome to Mangte Chungnejang Merikom, who was conferred with Mithoi Lema title by the state government. Director of Sports Authority of India North East Regional Centre, Imphal Francis Mervyn, Dronacharya Awardee in the field of boxing L. Ibomcha, Dean in charge of National Sports University Shamsundar Rat, and top officials of Sai NERC Imphal attended the reception program held at the indoor hall of Sai Special Area Games Kumalampak Sports Complex.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯡꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯗꯤꯇꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯈꯥꯡꯕ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯥꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯀꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯠ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ.
Sagolban United defeated its opponent in a match of the 12th Manipur State League today. In the 51st league match played today, Sagolban United beat Trao Kwakitel 2-1. For the winners, KH Tajuddin and Milan Lystrom scored 1 goal each at the 84th and 89 minutes of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by SH Meiraba at the 73rd minute. FC Zalen and Movanlai Athletics were supposed to play in today's 50th league match, but FC Zalen did not turn up. However, no declaration was made by the organizers. All Manipur Football Association organized the league matches sponsored by Khomukcha Mingocha Memorial Trust at Imphal Polo Ground. In tomorrow's league match, YPHU Lalambung will play against Nako Nambol Mapal. The Manipuri team participating in the 3rd Senior National Rowing Championship has left Imphal today. The team, comprising of 14 men and 12 women, was flagged off from rowing canal of Kumalampak Sports Complex. The championship will be held in Pune from December 17 to 23. K. Somojit is the team coach and Suresh Arambam is the team manager for men players, whereas T.H. Nitai and N. Toiba are team coach and manager respectively for the Eves. Secretary of Manipur Rowing Association S. Yamkishore and eminent persons of the association blessed the players to bring laurels. Winners of the championship will participate in the upcoming national games to be held in Goa. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren inaugurates first state-level Barak Festival 2018 at Senapati District Mini Stadium ground today. Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Dev Music College, the only government music college of Manipur, remains deplorable for the past 10 years. Art and Culture Minister L. Jentukumar assures to fill in the inadequate staff of Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Government Music College at the earliest. CPI Manipur State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar asserts CPI will take key roles in forming Grand Alliance Central Government sans BJP after 2019 Lok Sabha election. And YAS Minister Letpao Haukip inspects condition of road leading to Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gates number 2 and Tingdapao roads near More Police Station.